In Chinese culture, if you sneeze, people have two reactions. If you sneeze once, 有人想你了 Somebody's missing you. If you sneeze a lot, people are gonna say, 有人在说你坏话有人说你坏话 Somebody's cursing you. Somebody's talking behind you. Yes, it's very common in every corner of China. And I remember when I was a little kid, I sneezed. My mom would always say, my baby, somebody's missing you. Probably your grandmom is missing you. So it shows great love. But if my dad sneezed, my mom would always say, somebody's cursing you. You must have done something really, really, really bad. That's the discrimination. But sneeze does have these two different meanings, and it has a very good original story. It was dated back to 2,500 years ago. It was written in Chinese classics. It's called 诗经. It says, 物言不媚，怨言则替. It describes a lady who really misses her man, but her man is a playboy. So what can she do? She has to miss him a lot. Whenever she misses him, he has to 打喷嚏. If he chews a lot, and then he can remember, that lady, she misses me. If I don't go there to see her, it means she's talking behind me. See, that's the original story behind this. 有人想你了，有人在说你坏话呢。Follow for more.